Crimping tools. At Siroco, we benefit from over 30 years of expertise in the cable and harness industry. We develop and produce highly customizable, certified tools, devices, and machines to meet your specific needs. We prioritize high-quality materials to ensure precise machining of components, and we are committed to providing responsive technical support. Crimping and productivity. We offer solutions for various industrial needs and challenges in the cable and harness industry. Crimping tools, pneumatics and mechanics. Multifunctional tools designed to serve all crimping equipment. Compact design to maintain accuracy and performance over time. Extraction and insertion tools. Ergonomic and functional. Production support tools to facilitate cable rework and repair during assembly. The design of these tools allows for easy and cost-effective replacement. Wear and spare parts, quality and precision. High quality, precision materials to maintain their characteristics and productivity over time. Manufacturing processes adapted to very demanding needs. Crimping tools. Siroco crimping tools are professional tools designed to ensure a reliable and secure connection of cables and connectors. They are used to perform crimping operations in various industrial and electrical applications. Precision and reliability. Siroco tools are designed to guarantee precise crimping, thus providing strong and durable electrical connections. Versatility. These tools are suitable for different types of cables and connectors, offering a wide range of models to meet various applications, such as pin, eyelet or plug connectors. Ergonomics and comfort. Siroco tools are designed to be ergonomic, reducing user fatigue during use. They allow for easy and efficient crimping thanks to comfortable handles and optimized lever mechanisms. High-quality materials. The tools are made from robust and durable materials, ensuring a long service life and resistance to industrial working conditions. Safety and control. Some models are equipped with force control mechanisms that ensure crimping is carried out with the appropriate pressure, thus avoiding overly tight or insufficient connections. Cotelec partners with Siroco to distribute high-precision crimping and automation solutions. Cotelec has announced the signing of a distribution agreement with Siroco, a Portuguese manufacturer of crimping tools, cutting blades, and various industrial accessories. Under this agreement, Cotelec becomes the official distributor of the Siroco product range across France, Spain, Portugal, and Morocco. Over 30 years of industrial expertise. Founded more than 30 years ago, Siroco is an industrial automation and robotic integration company specializing in the design, development, and manufacturing of machinery. The Portuguese firm is particularly renowned for its expertise in wire harnessing, offering highly customizable solutions tailored to the specific technical requirements of industrial manufacturers. 3 core areas of activity. Siroco's operations are structured around 3 strategic divisions: automation solutions, production cells and lines, high-precision mechanical tools, and assembly systems. Crimping solutions, pneumatic and mechanical crimping tools, insertion and extraction tools, and high-quality wear parts. Machining solutions, small series production of high-precision mechanical components, including mechanical assembly and rigorous quality control.